Hi and welcome. I am here today with HTC Desire 21 Pro and I'll be showing you how to customize your volume panel. So first, let's go to Google Play Store and from there look for volume styles. Install the first application that appears. Great, open it. Tap on the Start button in the top right corner. Give accessibility service permissions, volume styles, use service, allow. OK, agree. Great. Now, as you can see, there are many different themes to choose from. Let's for example go with Wave. It has a little animation, as you can see. OK, now you can go to Customize, change the sliders type, change vertical position of the slider. Go to Style Settings, you can choose Gradient. Oh, it's a premium feature, you actually have to pay for it. Okay. You can choose thickness of a slider. As you can see now it's thick. You can change the length. So as you can see now it's very long. And there are many different settings that you can play with, but I'm going to leave it out to you. And that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye and have a great day.